Nice.
Here we have Otis Lexans.
Yeah.
Not going anywhere, but let's see. Come on in.
Oh, these aren't car locked. Whoa! Look at that. This is cool.
These are gold pressed lobby.
They look like windows.
We have a Sam getting on, or
Yeah, we have a Sam getting on.
Oh no, I wanna, you can go. I wanna catch the lantern. Let me see.
these are like 90s Otis,
Look at this elevator. It's so nice.
like late 80s, I guess.
Yeah.
Because they got the old, or they got the newer Series 2.4.
This is late 80s, early 90s.
Yeah. Probably wouldn't have been 90s because after the ADA they stopped making Lexan.
If you do me a favor, please pull the phone box.
The phone box open?
Yeah, check the
this
phone
one
box.
here, sure. That's
That
a nice
is
box.
an epic elevator. These are really cool.
Yeah, very nice.
Wow. These are awesome. This is a neat
Cool.
building.
Oh, I think it just stays here.
Can we take a picture of the elevator, please? Stay back.
Yeah. Oh, it's got Series 1 chimes. That's cool.